Before performing any maintenance to the hook lift, remember that only qualified service personnel are to perform maintenance. Never modify or alter any of the equipment, whether mechanical, electrical, or hydraulic, without explicit approval from Stellar Industries. Position the hook lift where it will be out of the way of other operations or vehicles in the area. Make certain that the hook lift is in the fully stowed position to prevent uncontrolled movement. Place all controls in the off position and secure operating features from inadvertent motion. When checking hydraulic oil level, make certain that all system cylinders are fully retracted. Location of the grease zerks can be found in the installation, assembly drawings, and parts manual. Before any service or repair is performed, disengage the PTO and shut off the engine. Also, before performing any maintenance on electrical components, disconnect the power source. Relieve hydraulic oil pressure from all hydraulic circuits before performing any maintenance on hydraulic components. Move control levers repeatedly through their operating positions to relieve all pressures. Never disconnect hydraulic hoses while there is still pressure in those components. Remember to replace parts with Stellar approved parts only. Keep the hook lift clean and free from grease buildup, oil, and dirt to prevent slippery conditions. Always label or tag parts when disassembling. Immediately repair or have repaired any components found to be inadequate. Stellar Industries recommends the first hydraulic filter change to occur after the first 250 hours of service. The second and every subsequent change should occur after every 1,000 hours of service. By following these guidelines, the hydraulic oil should last up to 6,500 hours. These recommendations are based on normal working parameters. If operating in less than favorable conditions, such as excessive dust or moisture, be sure to check the filter gauge often for filter change notice. Every 6 months, remove the hydraulic pump from the PTO and lubricate the splines. Failure to lubricate shaft splines will cause damage to the PTO and hydraulic pump. Detailed instructions on the maintaining a hook lift can be found in the general manual under the basic hook lift inspection schedule section. For further questions, call Stellar Industries customer service